Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into oration. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Monologue. Which means a long speech by one actor in a play or film, or as part of a theatrical or broadcast program. Monologue. For example, he was reciting some of the great monologues of Shakespeare. Number 2. Discourse. Which means a formal discussion of a topic in speech or writing. Discourse. For example, a discourse on critical theory. Number 3. Talk. Which means an informal address or lecture. Talk. For example, a firefighter giving a talk on her personal experiences. Number 4. Address. Which means a formal speech delivered to an audience. Address. For example, the president's address received lukewarm applause. Number 5. Lecture. Which means an educational talk to an audience, especially one of students in a university. Lecture. For example, a lecture on children's literature. Number 6. Speech. Which means a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. Speech. For example, he gave a speech about the company. Number 7. Harangue. Which means a lengthy and aggressive speech. Harangue. For example, they were subjected to a 10-minute harangue by 2 border guards. Number 8. Homily. Which means a religious discourse which is intended primarily for spiritual edification rather than doctrinal instruction. Homily. For example, she delivered her homily about the need for patience. Number 9. Sermon. Which means a talk on a religious or moral subject, especially one given during a church service and based on a passage from the Bible. Sermon. For example, I preached my first sermon on original sin. Number 10. Declamation. Which means a rhetorical exercise or set speech. Declamation. For example, he delivered a passionate declamation. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.